Question 4 is 2 marks. The question says, use a ruler and compasses early to construct perpendicular bisector of line AB. It's very difficult to do it here, so I'll do it on this. Now, whenever they ask you to do so, oh, this is a very big. Let me just zoom out. Whenever they ask you to do so, you bring your compass, you put it in any of the points, A or B. I think it's better now, isn't it? Yeah. Now, and then you open it more than half. You need to open this more than half. Like this is very small, it's less than half of the line. This is correct, but it's very big, isn't it? Now this is fine. This is more than half. Did you get it? So anywhere more than half. Then do a curve up and down. Then make sure you don't change this size and take your compass to the other point. I think this is fine. No, it's not. Now this is perfect. Pick the pencil again and make that. Once you do this, you are finished with the compass. Let's throw it away. Bye, compass. Now bring your ruler, put it here, and make a line. And this is going to be your answer. It's just that. I'm not sure if I did it perfectly, but this is the method you should use. This is fine. This is fantastic. So this is what you should do in the exam. This is your answer of this 2 marks question. Was it easy?